Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix cursor disappeared on Windows 10 or 11. Alright, let's begin. First, open the search menu by pressing the Windows plus S keys and search for Device Manager. Now press the Tab key on your keyboard to navigate through all parts of the pop-up window. Then, use the arrow keys to get to the Mouse and Pointer Devices section and expand it with the right arrow key. After that, navigate to the target mouse and press Enter. Again, press the Tab key to get to the Drivers section. Now navigate to the Disable Device button, press the Enter key, and select Yes from the pop-up. Then, enable the mouse and check if it works. If it does not, navigate to the Uninstall Device button and press Enter. Confirm the action and uninstall it. Now press the Alt key and access the Action tab from the top. Inside it, select Scan for hardware changes, and your mouse drivers will be reinstalled. Again, navigate to the target device drivers, press Enter, then get to the Drivers tab and check for updates. This will automatically solve your problem. If it still does not, open a preferred browser, search for Windows mouse drivers, go to the official Microsoft website and install the required ones. So that's basically how you can fix cursor disappeared on Windows 10 or 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.